Hey guys, it's your girl Drknlvely and welcome back to the channel. It's your good sis. I'm coming through in time. I do not have my AC on because who's gonna pay my bill? Who? You? No, I'm trying to wait till it's unbearable, and right now I've been moving around, so I am hot. I'm hot just like you like it. Anywho, so I have a fun-filled weekend. It is Juneteenth weekend. I don't know when you guys will actually see this. I'm going to try and get this edited so you guys could see it in real time. But today is Friday and I have the Soul Flower Festival coming up today. So, you know, I got to be extra AF and I have to do my hair and I got to put flowers and shit in it. So I went to Michael's and I got some sunflowers. I did not want to do sunflowers because I felt like sunflowers were very cliche, however, it just looks so cute. Matter of fact, I kind of like that. So I've been trying to figure out how in the H-E double hockey stick I'm going to do my hair. So y'all are about to watch me basically my brain work and try and figure something out. So right now I have a side part, and I'm just spraying my hair with water and some essential oils, lemongrass. That's it. It gives me a very clean hair. Come through, baby. I wish I could wear you down. Okay, because we're going to be manipulating the hair, so we definitely want it a little down. So are we doing a side part? Are we doing a side part? But I don't even know what I'm doing right now. That's the thing. I said I wasn't going to like stress myself out about this, but look, what am I doing? Stressing myself out about it. So, and definitely then if I do that, I wanted to do like a basket weave, but I wanted something that wasn't taut. So like sometimes I just wish that I could take my head off my shoulders, y'all. Like I want something like this. Like this is giving to me, okay? This is giving to me and I want it like that. So the only thing is this hair gets so big on this side because a bulk of my locks are in the front. So how would I achieve? Okay, so I want it more loose. And then do we have the flowers here? Because see, I feel like that part's gonna be like, I don't know, yeah. I need to quit it. Oh God, so hot. I have no idea. See, y'all won't be able to see me if I do. Oh, that's nasty. Yeah. Oh, y'all will be able to see me. I'm back far enough. Okay, cool.
In
to this pompadour. Oh, I'm like, what is that white shit? But that is literally it got kind of messy towards the end. Yeah. I mean, I like it, but it's a lot. It is a lot. But like, let's just say I put a flower right there. Do I even have enough? This flower came off so easy. Okay, there they go. And then I plan on doing my hair. I'm going out with Marissa tomorrow to another Juneteenth celebration. And okay, definitely loving it right there. Definitely putting one, like, I'm putting this bitch right here right now because she's giving what she said she was supposed to have gave. Oh, I keep forgetting to call my dentist people. She's giving what she said she was supposed to have gave. Okay. Giving what she said she was supposed to have gave. Go. Perfect, boo. You're right there. Serving your purpose. Are you? Come on. Serving your purpose? Are you living? Are you living? Am I gonna do one over here too? I think I am. Yeah, we're gonna do one right there too, sis. So my hair is basically gonna be done because I'm just gonna do this and get this over with. Okay, there we go. That's what I wanted. Okay. I'm like, do I want one right in the middle? Is that like too obnoxious? I think I do want one right there. I don't think it's too obnoxious. Oh God. I honestly thought I got more flowers, but I didn't. So I feel more flower, but the sunflowers are just like too much. Are they? Are the sunflowers too much? Like literally, this is what I go through, y'all. Are the sunflowers too much? So if I put like one right there and then another right there, is that too much? Yeah, that's too much. Yeah, the sunflowers are too big. But I think, okay, what if I only did one? What if I only did one sunflower? I don't know. Well, I do need to figure out how I'm gonna get that in my head. So, you stay right there. And then we're gonna come in with the sunflower. Okay, and it's freaking putting shit everywhere. Like, I want it flat. So I think it's kind of big, but I kind of like it. So yeah, I think this is it. Yeah, this is it.
You're gonna be the low.